Go ahead.
Hey guys, Mr. Hammond here, just going over some valve adjustment, just so that in case I'm not available, you guys can watch this video and know how to do it. So this is our basic cylinder head, okay? A couple components that we have with that I want to illustrate with you guys. We have our rocker arm here, we have our ball nut, and then we have our lock nut. And again, you can see on our head, how it works is as we adjust on that ball nut, okay, it then adjusts how tight and how much that valve opens. So first thing you're going to need to do on your small engines is you're going to need to find top dead center of the compression stroke. We know the strokes go intake, compression, power, and exhaust. So we're going to take our dowel pin provided in the small engine's toolbox. You're going to put it inside of your motor, and then you're going to slowly turn that motor over. And we're going to watch our valves here to see which ones are moving so we can determine our stroke. We know this side is exhaust and this side is intake. So as I know, my piston is now going in upward motion, okay? It's going down. My exhaust valve is opening up, which means I'm on the exhaust stroke. My piston now should be going up, which we can see with the dowel. My intake valve is opening, piston going down, sucking in that air-fuel mixture. Now I'm going up on compression, which is exactly what I want. I want to reach the top of my compression stroke, and right there is where I want to stop. Now I know I'm at the top of compression. My valves are not being opened by the camshaft at all. We want to loosen the lock nut. To do that, we're going to hold the bottom bolt, or the rocker ball, and we're going to loosen that nut. Okay, we don't need to remove it, we can just loosen that all the way. Now if you notice, this here has no wiggle room or play, and as I adjust this rocker ball back, now I have lots of movement in play. And right inside there, that's where we're doing our feeler gauge adjustment. We're gonna take our feeler gauge here, we're gonna find the exact measurement for the exhaust. Make sure you refer to your user manual for the exact measurement that you need to have, okay? Once I find the measurement that I have, I'm gonna take my feeler gauge and I'm gonna put it in between the valve cap, so right in there, and the rocker ball, and I'm going to adjust my rocker ball by hand, okay? Once I have it where it's got good tension in there, I can still move it, but I can still slide it back in, okay? That's my adjustment that I want. Once I have the adjustment that I want, I'm gonna remove my feeler gauge, okay? I'm going to swap over to my torque wrench. I'm going to take my wrench and I wanna hold the rocker ball. I'm gonna just snug this down so it's close. Okay? What tends to happen is as you tighten this lock nut, the rocker ball may move or adjust. So I'm gonna try and hold that rocker ball in the position that I had it in. And I'm gonna tighten this guy down until it clicks. There's my click. Now I know I've torqued it down. Your final step, spin the motor over 2 revolutions, find your top dead center with compression again, and then confirm that do you have this at your exact feeler gauge measurement that you want. Intake and exhaust are different, so please make sure you read the manual for that, and that's how you do your valve lash adjustment.